In this video, we are going to draw perpendicular bisectors by using some word problems. Let's see what we get. Draw a line 7 cm long, construct a perpendicular bisector. Okay, now we are going to use some of the geometrical tools over here. Draw a line of 7 cm long, yellow color. Yeah, 7 cm long, and now we have to construct a perpendicular bisector. So for this we need a compass over here. We need to use this compass and extend it a bit more, or we just need to extend it less than 7 centimeters. So let's say if we mark it as 5 centimeters. So now we are going to use this color over here. Alright, so from this end we are going to draw the arc like this. Alright, till this. Alright, so now from this edge again we have to draw the arc of exact same 5 centimeters, and now you can see that we have drawn this thing, and now we are going to move it a bit in this direction where they both arc join each other, make a joining point over here. All right, it's a bit, yeah, that's the right point. From this point to this point, like this. Okay, so this will be our perpendicular bisector. Let's say if we name it as A and B, so P will be the point that gives you the perpendicular bisector. Okay, so now we are going to check it. Is it really the perpendicular bisector or not? 3.5, 3.5, all right. So now we again need to use a ruler over here and check if it is 3.5 or not. Yeah, it's exact 3.5 and 3.5. So in this way you can draw perpendicular bisectors like this. Okay, let's move on towards the next problem. Alright, so in this again we need to draw a line segment of 7 centimeter long and set a perpendicular bisector of A and B. Use a ruler and protractor to check that it bisects your line at right angles. Alright, mark any point P on your perpendicular bisector and measure its distance from A and B. So that's the exact same thing that we did in our previous question. Okay, we need to draw a straight line, draw the perpendicular bisector, and use a ruler, whether it is of the half distance, whether it makes the half distance on both sides or not. And the thing that we miss, that you just need to use a protractor and see whether it makes 90-degree angles or not. So let's move on towards next. In this, two shapes S and T are 50 meters apart. Using a scale of 1 centimeter to 5 meters, draw an accurate scale drawing of the shapes. Yeah. Alright. So what do we need to do? 1 centimeter, approximately estimated value of this is equal to this. Alright. So we need to find out that how much 50 meters will make how much centimeters. So what do we need to do? Just divide it, check how much centimeters is in 1 meter. Alright, again we need to use a calculator. 0.2 centimeters, 1 meter. Alright, so 1 meter equals to estimated value equals to 0.2 centimeter. So how much will be the 15 centimeters? That would be 10 centimeter. Yeah. Alright. So what do we need to draw? We need to draw a line of 10 centimeters over here. Like this. Again, we need to draw a perpendicular bisector by using our both ends. A lifeboat is equidistant from both ships. Okay, this is the S point and this is the T point. Or you can say two ships, and they both are 10 centimeter apart. Equidistant from both. Construct a line to show where the lifeboat could be. How can you find a point the same distance? Alright, so in this whole problem, we need to draw a perpendicular bisector. So we will give you a lifeboat that is equidistant from both ships. So again, we are going to use our compass. And you can see that that's 5 centimeter or that's exactly less than 10 centimeters. So again, from this end, so we remove that scaling part, and now we have got our arc. We're drawing our arc from this end, yeah, like this. And again, we have to, what do we need to do? A lifeboat would be from this edge, from this joining point to the other joining point, like this. Alright, let me just change the color so that you can see. Alright, so from this end to this end. So this is the point. This is the point where both shapes are equal to each other or have equal distance. And here will be the lifeboat that is equidistant from both sides. So as you can see that they want you to draw a line that we have already drawn over here to show that where the lifeboat could be. So here there will be the lifeboat, and how can you find a point the same distance from A as from B? So this is the point. You may label it as P or B, whatever you want to say. Alright, so in this way you can draw perpendicular bisectors of any line